So we're now monitoring feedback, and of course there is no feedback on a dynamic cutter head. It's also a lot of distortion in various frequency ranges on a dynamic cutter head that has zero EQing going on. So let's pull up a song here that I know is going to tweak things out a little bit more. So like I can hear distortion in Frank Sinatra's vocals. Wow, yeah, that I would say that it has some frequencies that are accentuated. So what's going on here? Well, let me tell you what's going on here. This is just simply a dynamic transducer, no feedback. And this is the same exact form factor as the ones that are in there. So this is exactly how big mine are. I think that that's actually pretty small. The feedback style is not that much bigger. Here's feedback. Fairly close in size. The only difference is height. Everything else is exactly the same, which means that when I start to market Bladerunners, when you buy one, it will come wired for feedback. Even though you may buy a dynamic cutter head from me, it will be feedback ready. All that will have to be changed out are the transducers to become a feedback cutter head. So let's disconnect 1.G.2. Okay, and you'll get cabling as well. You'll get wiring, all the wiring that we need. And I'm going to start to sell turnkey cutting drive systems. So you can buy preamp, you can buy the amplifier, you can buy ammeter, heating, power supply, fuses, all in one rack unit separate from the preamp, or I can build all of that into a 3U rack unit, or you can just buy this 2U rack unit as well as a cutter head. There'll be a turnkey drive system that will include cabling. So here we go. Here is going to be the same song. I'm just going to start it over at the beginning. Okay. And here we go. Now we can actually see some feedback too. And I mean, even just over here, this sounds better. But let me, of course, as always, put the torque tube up to the phone.
Best is yet to come, and babe, won't that be fine? Youth think you've seen the sun, but you ain't seen it shine. Wait till the warm-up's